Hello guys, welcome to a new Unreal Engine 5 video. In this video, we will see the demonstration and the migration tutorial to new projects of the dynamic zipline system. Dynamic zipline is a modular zipline system, component-based for Unreal Engine 5. This tool easily adapts to any surface and includes various subsystems such as acceleration, inertia, direction changes, deep customization, and much more. Remember that you can also get the mobile version and the Zipline weapon version in the link in the video description. Dynamic Zipline features multiple subsystems. It also includes static meshes, a particle system, easily customizable blueprints, and custom Zipline animations. You can easily customize each plane or class according to your project needs. Let's see some of the features in the following gameplay.
Now, we're going to look at the tutorial on how to migrate it to a new project. First, you need to configure the input actions. If you're using Unreal Engine 5.2 or higher, you can use the Enhanced Input subsystem. I'll leave all the input action names in the video description and in the documentation in case you have any questions.
Okay, the next step is to add the component to the character class. This system also features multiple customizable parameters and subsystems.
Now let's find the example character class to copy the system inputs. And we will paste them into the blueprint of the new character.
With this, we've finished integrating the component. Now, we're going to set up the animations. First, we'll migrate the animation instance to the new skeleton. Here, we select the new skeleton we want to migrate the animations to. In this case, it is called Manny, which is the default skeleton in Unreal Engine 5 third-person projects. The next step is to configure the animation blueprint for the new character. Now, let's find the animation blueprint of the new character. By default in Unreal Engine 5, the class assigned to the character is Animation Blueprint Quinn. However, this has a parent class, so make sure to select that parent class to complete the setup. It is worth mentioning that if your project uses only one animation blueprint, you can do this process directly there. All right, we are also going to migrate the animation montages to the new character, and then we'll add them to the system's component. Perfect, guys. With this, you now have the system integrated into your Unreal Engine 5 projects.
Now, to use it, you just have to drag the zipline blueprint to your map and customize it to your liking. This system is based on splines, so you can expand it and modify it, and it will automatically adapt to the surface. I am going to add a new spline point in the middle and tweak the cable slightly to simulate a bit of sag, just like a cable would look in real life. Keep in mind that this depends on each user. If you want the cable to be completely straight, you don't need to do this. Okay, I am going to add a new surface at the bottom so we can see how our zipline automatically adapts to the new surface. Now let's test the obstacle detection system. All right, now let's look at some of the customizations we can make. As you can see, for each zipline, we have multiple settings that we can configure. For example, you can change the static mesh of the cable, the towers, the materials, among other customizations. So each user can add their own 3D models of the towers and the cable and replicate any zipline design they need. For this example, I'll only change the materials. We can see that the changes to our zipline are becoming noticeable over time, and it now has the new color of the material we just configured. And that's it, guys. That is how you set up the dynamic zipline system in your project. If this video helped you, Please don't forget to support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing for more Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, high-quality game dev mechanics, and advanced blueprint systems. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Happy developing!